Hello and welcome to Affinity. Let's have a look at another curve. This is the U curve. It's a very basic curve, but it's very often useful. Here we've got a picture that is rather overexposed, rather bright, and the question is, what can we do about it? So if we click on here, click on the curves and just bring that up, here we go. We can see the histogram here. It goes all the way to black, so we can't just darken the whole picture because we'll start losing things here, and we've got burnout at the top here, probably in some of these areas here. But let's just say with there's nothing much more we've got, haven't got any alternatives, so we've got to play with this. So a simple way is to grab it somewhere in the middle, start pulling it down. And here we see we're getting this is a lot better up here, but this down here is still rather bright. And a way to address this is simply to go and put in another curve. And the second curve then is we're going to look at it just for this, but we'll mask out the areas we don't want. So just watching this, let's pull this one down. That's a bit better, and look at the foreground as well. That's better too, isn't it? So then what we can do when we've got that second one is keeping the focus on that, say layer invert, and that effectively turns that layer off by making the mask all black. So we can recover that again by painting white on it. So we get the paintbrush tool here, and we make sure we selected white up here. Now we paint back in. We've got here the opacity about 50%. That's probably okay, maybe a little bit more. We can play with that. So there we go, that's bringing a bit of that back there. So with multiple paints we're bringing more and more, and then we can do the same down here. See, there are areas which are not coming back, and that's because they are burnt out. So we'd have to do a little bit of cloning on top or something like that if we want to do more with that. But what we've shown here is how we've improved a lot. So if you take this layer off and that layer off, there's the original layer, and putting it back like this, there we go. That's a big improvement for very little effort. So hope you liked that, and that was the basic U curve because it's shaped like a U. So thank you very much for watching.